Hello guys and gals, Shomer Show here. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Ruger Mark III. Go ahead and take some shots with it, Tip. We're going to take a look at the Ruger Mark III. This is a 22 long rifle, semi-automatic pistol. Came with 2 magazines. I'll take a few shots of it today. We had Kevin's son out here and he has been shooting this thing up really well, so we figured we'd go ahead and do a video over it since it's a gun you haven't seen yet. Go ahead and show them how easy it is. Get a good grip, make sure your finger's not on the trigger. Alright. Is it all loaded up? Take a shot and make sure you chambered one. Make sure you pull that chamber all the way back, or pull that. There you go. There. All right. Hold on. Oh, I should have done it all tactical. Oh, and then I want to show them the slide release, if you want to call it that. How does he does the fastest little double taps, doesn't he? Mm-hmm. There we go. That's your sight picture. Pow pow. All right, guys. So we're gonna do one of our favorite channels thing. We've got some tile here, so we're gonna copy Buffalo Outdoors and shoot the 2 tiles with this little Ruger Mark III pistol. So probably, huh? Oh, so I'm thinking, oh, it's kind of fun. No wonder, Buffalo. No wonder. It's actually kind of fun. Let me see that. Let's see what we got here. That one probably fell, and I probably. I mean, this one probably just fell. You know what I mean? It probably didn't even have a chance to get hit, because there's nothing on there. I wonder how many would have went through though. Here we go. You have to do that to get your bayonet to work right. Well, that was actually really easy.
All right, we gotta try 2 now.
Oh no, we gotta try a few more. All right, so we're gonna try 4 of our tiles now. Well,
Yeah, you only got 2.
no, I got 3, but this one I went straight into the dirt with it. So
Deflection.
I would have broken it, I think. All right, well, let's load up some more. Let's try 5. So we're gonna have to take a little different option to break the rest of these. How many do we have down there?
I'd say 9.
7? Huh?
I'd say 9.
Go down there and count them real quick, Yep.
Yeah, we have 9.
So we're gonna, I think,
We survived whenever you stabbed them.
yeah, where's 9? There's 9, he's right. All right, so we're gonna shoot 9 tiles. They're packed one on top of the other. So now we're gonna shoot it. Well, oops. We're gonna shoot it with the nosy mosey, or the mosey nosy. That's what we call it.
Garbage stick.
Yes. I love this gun actually. Alrighty, so let's see what kind of action we get with the, take some shots.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Let's go take a look. God, that's a lot of power. It'd be really cool, not gonna lie, if some of them didn't break. But I mean, that's a lot of power. Yeah. It's broke. They're all broke. We gotta get some more tiles, man. That's pretty fun.
Wow.
So that's a big old mess. You know what? I think we should disassemble all that with the AR real quick before we leave. Let's turn that tile into dust with the AR. Yeah. I think we should ban all fully semi-automatic assault rifles. Oh my God! I can't kill it!